Hey guys! So today I'll be doing a little collab with Jamrock Foodie, showing you how he makes his Jamaican Brown Stew Chicken without browning. So if you want to see how all this goodness that's on your screen gets made in Roma's Kitchen but Jamrock Foodie style, stick around right after this intro.
Can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So I'm using 2 leg quarters for this recipe. I'm going to wash it with vinegar, then I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces and get ready to season them. So to season this, I'm using a quarter of a medium onion, 2 stalks of scallion, 1 teaspoon of thyme, dried thyme leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1/4 inch of ginger. Now time to add all this seasoning, guys, to my chicken. Then for powder seasoning, I'm adding a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and then I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm going to be using my bare hand and I'm going to be rubbing all this seasoning all over my chicken. Of course, you can use a glove, but just ensure that your seasoning gets all over your chicken. Each and every piece is well nicely coated. So after doing all this, I'm just going to be covering this and I'm going to be leaving this in the fridge for 24 hours. After the 24 hours, guys, this is what it looks like. My chicken is nice and ready to be brown stewed. So in a pot over medium heat, I added 2 tablespoons of oil. Use the oil of your choice. Then to this, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. The sugar I'm using, it's very dark. It's close to molasses sugar. And after doing this, I'm just going to allow it to burn a little. Then I'm going to be adding all the chicken pieces, ensuring to get each piece in this nice caramel goodness to get it nice and well brown on both sides. So you can leave this on the side that it's on now for about 5 minutes. Then you'll turn it to get this nice brown color. After 5 minutes, you want to ensure that both sides are nice and brown. So remember, guys, we need our chicken nice and brown on both sides. So we're going to be flipping them to ensure that both sides are nice and brown. Look at how brown this is. So brown and nice, guys. You do not need any browning. This is exactly how your chicken should look if you are going to try this recipe. And we're going to be preparing this now for the cook down part. I'm adding to this 1 cup of water, and I added it from the same container in which the chicken was. And my pot is now over high heat. Then I'm going to cover this to get it nice and simmering for just 30 minutes. Now after the 30 minutes, guys, I've added here some potatoes. Jamrock Foodie added some carrots and some string beans. You can add all 3 if you have all 3, or if you have 1 of the 3, you can add 1 of the 3. And I'm going to be allowing these potatoes to cook for 10 minutes in this, or until you test it with a fork and it's nice and very soft. So this is the end result, guys, of my Jamaican brown stew chicken without browning, Jamrock foodie style. You'll be seeing a video of brown stew chicken Roma's Kitchen style very soon. So guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that post notification on. Until next video.